Welcome. This quick and easy tutorial, I'll be showing you how to buy XRP on Binance. Alright, so first up, go ahead and log into your Binance account. Now go ahead and find the buy crypto option. Okay, so just click on it. Now make sure under here you have selected the buy tab. Okay, so what you're going to do next is just go ahead and select your currency. For example, I have here PHP. Okay, or you could go ahead and choose USD right here. Now, once that's done, under receive, we have here a drop down. Just click on it and just go ahead and click on search bar and find XRP. There you go. So just click on XRP. And once you have XRP selected, you can now go ahead and enter the amount of USD that you would like to buy or exchange for XRP. So maybe $100. Okay. So for $100, you will receive this amount of XRP. So if you're happy with that, you can now go ahead and click on payment method right here. You can go ahead and choose to pay with your fiat money or use your card, Apple Pay or Google Pay. All right. So just hit on confirm. Now go ahead and click on buy XRP. Follow simple prompts at a note time. Under your profile right here, you'll be able to see your XRP listed. Okay. That's basically how you do it. That's how easy it is to buy XRP on Binance. I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.